Alright guys, we're down here in Thayer, Missouri. We got Fuller parts back there. 400EX Honda. Zach, tell them the story.
So basically last night, we were hanging out at Steiner's, and when we got back home, I was scrolling through Marketplace like always, looking for 300,000 mile shit boxes. Oh god, that's our turn.
That's our turn right there?
Yep.
We're going up this...
And, so yeah, I was on Marketplace looking at crap boxes like always that I can't afford, and I stumbled across this post that said, yeah, 400EX, or well, trade for 400EX parts. I was like, huh, Jayco's got a 400EX.
So we're backing the trailer up now.
Oh, trying to.
Yeah. We're gonna back it down this dude's yard. It'll be alright.
What are you doing?
What? I'm recording the trailer.
No, I'm talking about my brother.
He's
trying
back
to figure out how to back up a trailer even though he knows how to.
Oh, and I'm pretty sure that yard's abandoned anyway. And the door of the house is kicked in.
It's there, so not surprising.
Yeah, that's true.
I would not go further in this yard. You're gonna get stuck.
Please don't get stuck.
I'll say these tires are crap.
Yeah, I know.
They're not good for dirt or grass or anything like that of that sort.
I just stay in the road and then just push the damn S10 down here. Ah, there it is.
Hopefully he has air in all the tires. He just aired them up. Or did he? Bad.
Mint. Anyway, finish the story.
Yeah, so now we're here.
Basically, they found it on Facebook Marketplace, messaged the dude, and now they are trading that and all of that for that behind the bush. Alright guys, we got the S10.
She's a little, she's a little hurt, but we can fix it.
She's a little crusty.
She's not really crusty, she's just got some slight issues, like the door don't close, but we can fix it. The door pin's back in. Been ripped off, but
yeah.
Head back home now. Hopefully we don't.
And our plan is to get the 4-cylinder in it running.
And then I'm gonna drive it home, or try to at least.
And he's gonna try to drive it home. It's got a clutch. It's got brakes.
Good brakes, actually.
It's got amazing brakes.
It's got better brakes than Lolly does. And that's sad.
It's got better brakes than my S10 ever had.
Yeah. How's the steering with the manual? Is it really like? Yeah, it's responsive.
We didn't see how many miles were on it.
It has 187,000. Same amount, or 178. I don't remember, something like that. I looked. I'm excited.
But they're also thinking about saving the graphics on it because it's awesome. It's like an old school 90s graphics.
To be completely honest, I might take full pictures of it or whatever and save it and then do something like that on the Pappas.
That'd be pretty cool.
That way I at least have like an image of how it looked. It's sketch video.
That would be pretty cool. But we're on the way to my house. We'll catch up with you guys when we get there. Alright guys, we got the S10 home. And on the way here, we came up with a name.
Yeah, so we were looking at the title to who it was previously titled to because it wasn't in the guy's name that we got it off of, and turns out the guy who owned this is in prison right now. Or jail or something. So we are now going to call this Jailbait, and we plan to take it to the Freedom Factory.
Cletus.
Then we'll have Jailbait, and then have
Cletus.
the Clickbait Patrol.
So, Cletus, it might not look like much right now, but
we're making a burnout machine.
We're going to make a burnout machine.
We're going to have 3 different S10s down there.
We're going to get mine. We're going to get mine running. We're going to do this. And if he lets us, we'll bring all 5 of them.
The Blazer too.
Bring the Blazer. I mean, we can hold up with it side by side after we VA swap it.
Blazer?
Dude, we could be like the rednecks at Cletus.
This is Jailbait.
Jailbait. That is our name for this. So that means the clickbait's got to come at us, bro.
It's obviously going 5-speed because we're manual guys.
Jailbait.
No, we got to do that on the windshield. Because we're going to actually try to keep the old school graphics. We really dig. Or at least go try to get some new graphics made up for it.
Dude, is it me or is the cab sagging or is the frame bent?
Worst case, we tube the front end. Well, for one, the front end isn't bolted on.
Oh, it's not?
No.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's just chilling.
So it's like mine.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, that's gonna be sick. Hashtag Cletus.
Yes.
Freedom Factory. Hashtag Freedom Factory. Hashtag everybody there. Here.
Yeah. plan is we're gonna get it running at Steiner's house, and then we are going to probably haul all the scrap off. If we find anything that we like, we'll keep it. But we're gonna get the little 4-banger running, and we're gonna drive it home.
Yep, I'm gonna drive it home. Like our idea? Even if it don't got a clutch.
Buddy approves it. He approves.
I'm excited about this. And there's an issue with this door. So, as you can tell, that doesn't latch. I mean, it's over there in the door, or in the seat. But we're gonna weld the doors shut, do race nets, metal dash, gut the interior. I'm stealing that rubber mat for my S10 though. This is the beginning of jailbait. We are excited.
Yeah, dog.
He's getting dog a warm hug.
He's so happy. But we're gonna get this unloaded. We're gonna go buy some death wheels so we can work on Darlene. And then we may start working on this. So we'll catch you guys later. Alright guys, we got some bad news on the 4-banger. It is locked up twider than a nun's twat. So it's getting yeeted already. It's junk. I mean, after we pull it out, we're gonna pull it apart, but everything's just absolutely disgusting in there. So, time for it to get yeeted. Sadly, we couldn't get it running, so we're gonna get to work. Yeet. Update, we got the front clip off. It's a little bit tight in here, but got the motor out now. It was really easy, honestly. It only took us like an hour and a half of actually like working, because we kind of stood around and jacked around for a little bit, but yeah. It's out. Really, we need to back the truck out. You got the driver header on, and he's been struggling with the passenger one for a long time.
For some reason, they don't like Vortec heads. It's okay with TBI heads, but when it comes to Vortec heads, they don't like it.
Yeah, and the transmission
Pissed everywhere.
Yeah.
decided to pee all over
It's
the
the
floor.
blood of the soul of the S10.
Yep.
It's trying to change its soul.
Jailbait got stabbed. He got shanked.
Oh, fuck.
Rough, he got stabbed in jail.
Alright, but we're gonna get, you know, I don't know what we're gonna do now. We do need to pull the heater box off, windshield wiper stuff. Like, literally everything's coming off of this truck, because it's literally just gonna be a motor and a transmission.
Get the motor transmission out, eat the blazer in here, and strip the interior.
Yep, we could work on that.
Yeah, we do need to work on the blazer. I brought the oil pan over, and we're gonna try and cut it up and make it work.
We need brake clean though, so you can clean that up real well.
By the way,
Anyways.
we get a hell of a discount through O'Reilly's with brake clean.
Man,
Yeah, because we got that
shop
account. Minted.
Official.
Yep. Also, we went digging up in Steiner's attic, and we found a speed limit sign, and there's a bunch of. We think there's more car parts.
Yeah, we think there's a bunch of car parts up there. We're at the check.
Yeah.
Exploration of the attic. That's gonna be in the next episode eventually.
Probably. Yep, that's where we're at.
Steiner's attic. Exploration level 1.
Breaking news: man falls through attic.
Smashes roof of full-size Chevy Silverado.
Yeah, that's where we're at. We're gonna start stripping all the stuff we don't need now, like in the wiring harness, most likely.
Turn it! Oh, we're not going to go in the garage. Oh, straighten it up!
We're about to load it in the bed, though.
You plowed the motor, Diego!
You didn't tell me to do anything. I was just pushing.
Move the
Look
motor!
at all the paint on the trans now. I'm trying. There.
Alright.
Lift the trans. Yeah.
Dude, there's no shocks on the rear half of this.
Yeah, on the back. Same way. The fucking wheel barrel. You lift it up. Son. I'm taking a hold by myself over here.
Well, I just want to bounce on it. You were making the barrel. Hey, look. Oh, mercy. They're no good. Guys, what are you doing?
That's not good.
How did you do that?
It got caught. You guys just can't fucking. Guys, guys. What is that? Hey guys, wanna play roll the dice? I wanna roll the dice. What is this even?
It's an air conditioner.
Is it really?
It was. Now flip it back over. I'm gonna use this bottom part to patch the front. Just flip it the way I had it.
Will you pick up the fucking motor?
Would you shut up?
There.
I told you to sit it the way I had it.
Think so?
Sure, I don't care. It's fine, keep going. Hey guys, are you still filming?
Yeah, it's over there.
We did a rear engine swap.
Alright, is it good? Shut the motor. Down.
Wait, before you let me know.
I don't want to get the dry shaft, just saying.
We don't need it. We don't need it.
Ready?
Yep. There you go!
Mint!
She fits now.
Yep, and she is,
Slam.
she is leaning, boys.
Guys, let's make a table! Smash. Alright, we're gonna roll this out, park it, and probably go grab the blazer.
What meth-headed shit is this?
I don't know.
Alright, let's get this thing out of here.
Hey, do you got any wheel